Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming essentials. Your iPhone 16 is unlocked and on the latest iOS, and you have Wi-Fi or cellular. Once done, get the carrier Esim QR activation code or carrier app in hand so you won't interrupt activation. Now open Settings and tap Cellular. Make sure to tap Add Esim to start the process. This initiates the phone's scanner and carrier handshake. Why this matters? Esim provisioning requires secure exchange, so doing these steps first prevents failed activations. Next, scan the carrier QR code with the on-screen scanner, or tap enter details manually to paste the SMDP Plus or activation code. This is how the network recognizes your device. If you use the carrier app, follow its prompts to download and authorize the Esim. Make sure your carrier account credentials are correct, because authorization is the gatekeeper. Then label the new line. Decide which plan handles cellular data and which handles voice. Since iPhone 16 supports dual Esim profiles with clear role allocation. Finalize by checking settings right arrow cellular for activation status. If it still shows pending, restart your iPhone to complete the network handshake. Once active, set default voice and cellular data roles and enable Wi-Fi calling or data roaming as required for travel. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then retry activation. This forces a fresh network registration. If that doesn't work, contact your carrier to confirm the QR or code, and that your account supports Esim provisioning.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.